Hi guys, this is a review of the answers to your paragraph editing assignment. I'm going to read it and then we're going to look for mistakes in the writing. Remember that when we communicate, we have to follow the rules of an English-speaking language. So, like it or not, there are certain rules we must follow for other readers to understand what we're going to say. John Muir's early life. John Muir was born in Scotland on 1838. He lived with his family in a small coastal town and began his education in the local school. Well, I need to stop because I already see some mistakes. I'm going to use red and use the editing marks to fix these mistakes. John Muir is his name, so 3 lines here to show that should be capital. Scotland is the name of a town, a proper noun. 3 lines here to show that it should be capital. He lived with his family in a small coastal town and began his education in the local school. This doesn't sound right. It should be began. So I'm going to circle the word and I'm going to spell it correctly above it. B-E-G-A-N. When John was 11, he moved with his family to the United States. Capital letter, because this is a proper noun. They settled on a farm in Wisconsin, and John soon began to help out with the farm chores. We need capital letter for Wisconsin, capital letter for John, and chores. That doesn't look right. So I'm going to circle it and I'm going to spell it correctly above it. It is C-H-O-R-E-S. O-A-R does say or, but it's not the correct way. When he had free time, he loved to wander with his younger brother through the nearby woods. A deep love of nature had begun to awaken in him. That's a lot of words. I think there should be a period in there. Let's see where our idea stops. When he had free time, he loved to wander with his younger brother through the nearby woods. Right here. So I'm going to put this mark, which is a caret. It shows where I should insert something, and I'm going to insert a period in this place. That means that this letter A should be capital because it would be the first word of a sentence. A deep love of nature had begun to awaken in him. Has period at the end, so that's okay. These are the mistakes from Tuesday's paragraph editing.